Okay, slaps, 1, 2, 3.
By the way, we did put $20 in, so like I said, I'm just vibing and thriving right now. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's like 70 bucks. Oh yeah, we gotta get that. Okay, we need someone to unlock. Yeah, throw some money down. Land some money, throw some money. Oh yes, friend. I love when he shows up. Slap it up. Okay, you can add a little more money, but we'll take it. Alright, come on. One more to unlock. Yes, there we go. Oh my gosh, 2 more to unlock. We need to get that 3750. Okay. We want it. What we got? 2 spins remaining. You think I'm gonna land one?
Yeah, I think you're gonna land one.
I got this. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes! One more.
Alright.
Alright, Lumps, where you at?
Right there?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
See, and the monkeys are on. Oh my gosh, we need one more. Okay, we need one more. We gotta get this. It's not on me. Oh, there's 3 spins remaining, so technically it's not on me. Maybe it is. Oh! Add some money. Add good money though. Add more than $1. That's 50 cents. Get out of my face, monkey. Go back home. Go back up the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it! Nice! Good job. Oh, we need a shot.
Yeah,
we need a shot. That is on Lumpy. Oh yeah, we need a shot for that. That is awesome. Okay, so free for all at this point. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Okay, we still want to land money, so.
Yeah, we
still want to land some money. So, this one's on me though. It's all good. We got our little 70 bucks up there. This might be $100 at least. It's gotta be at least $100. Mind you, we were down to $2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's 100 right there. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes.
166.
We'll take it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look, big win. Money. We got money. Oh. I'm gonna let this play a little bit. I'm gonna let this play for a little bit. Yes, $166.80. I'm gonna do a backup spin real quick. Ooh, that would have been nice. Do one more, a couple more backup spins. Yeah, we like this.
And guys, I told her to play this game.
Okay, I'll let you have it. He didn't know.
I said, hey, you should play Firelink.
Alright, we're gonna cash that out at 160. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so I had a $60 ticket. I just added that because I want to play it down to, 200. So I get another bonus. Real quick, we're getting a celebratory shot. So while we wait on that, let's see if we want something else. other version. All right, so I got the free game, which I feel like I rarely get free games on this. Any version of Firelink. So maybe this machine was meant for me to get. Hey, all right, Lumps, what we doing?
All right, guys. Oh, you already know what we're doing. We're winning, guys. All right.
That's right.
1, 2, 3, Diva K slides.
Diva K slides. I don't even know what I want. Mega? Take that. I'll take the Mega. Wait, you gotta be lying. Oh my god, I was about to say. I was literally gonna be like.
It's close. Yeah, they call the ambulance for me.
I was gonna roll on the ground. Seriously. Okay, I've never gotten this before. We're definitely gonna take this one. Alright. Alright, Lumps, you going first? Press the
Yeah,
spin.
sure. All right, guys. 1, 2.
Yeah, throw them now. Yeah, throw them now when they need to go. Alright, so 2 screens. 2 opportunities to make a bunch of money. Ooh, it's another set. Y'all, it's another 70 up there. Want it. Want it. Okay, yes. That's actual good money. Oh. We want that one. Alright. That's what we want. Sorry, okay, the mini's at $30. We'll take that.
Got it.
Yay! Alright, look. So wait, are they all the same? Okay, landed one there. Okay, so they don't. Gotcha. So the spins don't go at the same rate.
Well, you landed more on that side of the line.
No, I'm saying if I land one here, it'll restart. If I land one there, it's not gonna restart.
No, they're 2 separate games.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. You're right.
Alright, so we need one to land here. We need one here for sure. I mean, we need them both. But we need one here. Look, the mini's at 30. That's at almost $80. We'll take it. Come on, it's on me. Oh, there you go. Land it. Land that bad boy. So we need 2 to unlock that and then 2 for here. Oh, yes. Good money. We'll take that. Yeah, we'll definitely take that. All right, we need 2 on both sides. Let's go. Let's land them. This is the one we really want, though. I mean, we want them both. We really want that one to unlock. All right, Lumps. We need one on this side. What you got? What you got for me? No! Oh my God! No, it's done. Okay, so friend, rule 2, route 2. You got it. Come on. Gotta get us something good. All right, where's my sensei monkey? Where is he? Ah, nice. Now, why can I do on the other side? Dang. All right. Okay, come on, we want some big money. All right, Lumps, you got the last spin. What you gonna do? Not the minor. Are you serious? That's $100. festival going on over here. monkeys are feeling me today. Honey, and the other day they paid me dust. 116, yes. Okay, we're about to take a little celebratory shot for both of those fire wins, okay? Alright guys, we are celebrating this nice win. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna take a fake shot because, you know, I can't.
Salud.
Don't forget winning monies. The money is being win.